Okoman Radio 97.1.
All right, Okoman 97.1. Arapia Santanasi Global Sports Friday edition. And then Anopensia Santanasi Reba. And Brando Conti Bonington Pania Rumna and Sama Wondonaba. Amana Sembaba, Sanson Efisembaba. Now you will be din come off here. And then Komodo Duana Ghana Premier League. So unim say China and in Kwesiada so matches na kano ebeto so Ghana Premier League no. Iti through China Oko PM Del Theater of Dreams Dreams FC China Fina film so ne had to folk about and China neba so Theater of Dreams 3 PM Dreams FC and Accra to folk Inye be wuram na film so di mun komo Samson Eba share Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe. Echina machin ewura mukwasiada. Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe ejina kono. We a WBO featherweight title. And a WBO featherweight title. On a branch and the Ensono and a Robaizi a Ramirez from Cuba. And this time talk about Brani Ebe Jenum. They say China and a Joe Ramukasia down matching. And a Isaac the Royal Stone Dog when Sijina Kono. On a Robaizi a Ramirez from Cuba. We at WO featherweight title. Young Empire Bonnie say a branch Benyan could be. No, no, so to me the title na be PM Ghana ha. You be ram near Dumun come on. Amana nsem baby abega 4 person mo defa. And so akwenya wo ho na mo de afa. Executive producer here Kofi Anton Bafo, and Akuffo Okoriajiman, Pa Solo Paradise. Robbie Asante, Zigini Donzi Bobe Chidom. Se Tom Ofia, Ajapokia, Omunya Boama Jumedi Nakoso. Na seka sen come from a star 787 ash. See star 787 ash. Omukre mu an nsam ni nyina so yere ba. Kwa Sibia Hotel. Omoso aso emu didindin. Emepon ebedi mu nkomo de akere o. Idi Kelvin Amponsah Addi. From Akin so ameje so. So latina semeko solo na mama na kwa ba na afia ma na nsam no. Yan so yedi aba solo say bibia fine
e go ba de adom bibia boko pa
bibia de dem
bibia dem so so hoye
nyame adom
ya da nyame as
bibia fine amana ne nsem ho say European leagues no weekend the matches ho ho na akopim adwoada
matches ho ya bo ya can say international break in Yakwaba.
Okay.
Say yes, I'm back to club duties now. Matches are run.
Na chirema nyize kura na wochi wie say
tough matches
pa or China is it China 11 am no 11:30 no there's Man City ejinam
yes Tough matches pa na whole weekend we na across Europe there is Oko Italy, Napoli, AC Milan ejinam. Germany no Bayern Munich Dortmund. And France so PSG Olympic Lyon. Man City, Liverpool, and so England, Newcastle, Man United.
Chelsea, Aston Villa,
yes. Matches need them per weekend.
Wow. All right, and I mean, now, yes, I'm an Anisamo, Fabrana Amanfo, soon, Yako, now, here.
To say I was very lucky that night, that it all. A near supernatural goal from Lionel Messi. Balotelli, Aguero, staggering, just staggering. He's won the league with 90 seconds of stoppage time.
All right, and so young room now for some and some Kakrawa, Europe, no, and also young room and fanning in and Fambro, Jumedi and so ha. Okoman 97.1 Friday edition of the Okoman Global Sports no yensu ehram na fe so manane nsama wodo no yensu yetumi area ba na woche wie ukopiem top flight major European leagues na match se to dwa no yensu ehram na fe so ye de nyina enso da dia bro ene match se to dwa ne Paris Saint-Germain abetena fie ni Olympic Marseille and also Olympic Lyonnais enso yetuma bo Monaco ni Strasbourg abebo Stade Brest Miami team no abetena fie no so no ene Toulouse etuma Nantes ene Reims Paul Samson Clermont and AC Ayaswange and Sony OGC ni se Bolele Metropole etnafie no so and a ye Leoren etima borene and so batunsa and so natimidia fra Bobo Kwani din and so na the lens Bobo Konomo sono etimidia born and afin so no zen Troyes about Olympic Marseille and so batunsa and so natimidia fra Montpellier no so dia born away the English and also the French league ya no see ram na fin so no ehun sem nyina no so no yetumi dia bro na otumedi no so ne ukopia the German Bundesliga big game beto dwa ukopia Frankfurt na Central Frankfurt team no etna fe 6:30 no so ne Bochum and so etima bom ene na match and so no beto dwa the German Bundesliga and so area mai tie for etna be ram na fin so no ya the match saka no the German Bundesliga ne mo so na etimi dia ma na the Spanish La Liga and a big game to Jadi and 7 p.m. Ghana time no Bobo Kwani then Real Mallorca betina fie at on the side of first as soon as team no so to me the appointee and also the big gamer and a to draw and our La Liga anymore yari mun sem nyina so no area bro Jumedi no so na the CAF Champions League no send so send so 3 matches set to draw our the CAF Champions League no and also na nyasem kuma horo ya Bobo Kwani from Guinea at 4 p.m. no so no and the Vipers of Uganda at me the appointee na 7 p.m. no we a big game na no so beto dwa our Cairo Mountain so na say Zamalek team no and so betina fiato nsa and so na frɛ Al Marik of Sudan no so the appointee channel so sa game we no a big game papa no so to dwa 7 p.m. Ghana time and nwumere our Cairo Mountain so iron 7 nyina and so na bro Jumedi no so na 8 p.m. Ghana time no when you 8 na say 10 p.m. solo channel so say 10 p.m. and some match here to dwa Raja Casablanca of Morocco and so betina fiato nsa and a frɛ Simba of Tanzania no so to me the appointee channel to start Brenton din and so no Ghanaian International Abrante Augustine Okra eto be gram na fenso wasi akan dia Simba Bobo Kono Abramo ko awe na fenso no omo Raja Casablanca of Morocco enso eto me dia appointee ehun sem nyina no eno so ye de bre Jumedi no so a enya sem kuma yentwa na fenso no yenwura ne fansam foforo enso na fanto so enso na fama Jumedi no so dia senetie ensem no kopiemu Barca Bobo Kono ma onum sa Abrante ne din enso na de Gavino no sama bo pa tie Gavin won sama pa onu sa Barca for eco register Branton say no or senior team player now so no ne contract won sensem any ade ba no ne La Liga for echirema Branton nsem no eya ye bibia e ho hot ase intene no unofficially no Branton no enya Barca senior player intene no just number 6 no se no Branton ne Gavin no La Liga for twama omo chirem say just number 30 and na Branton ne enso ne Gavin no onko so enche Barca Bobo Konuma emunsem so no yare mai tie for Jumedi no so yara so ka Barca hunsensem no abrante ne den enso ne Samuel Mtiti onu sa abrante Bolon deal e ma leche bobo kona Italy na report ne ba kire sa Barca defense no onu sa yere papa uche Christensen bobo Dios Konde e Garcia Mokran Sharanya bimbo ene report ne ba Barca kire ma next summer no abrante ne de Samuel Mtiti no ene omo jane kwan de fi Barca bobo konima ahunso nsam yare ma yetefo dwumadie no so na yenko na fenso no yentwa nye coachisa omo so di sikapa awo Europe na emfa ntotwa emfa ma na yesene no mo open highest paid coaches awo Europe say na no so nsam no ano so ati ayenso yare ma yetefo na ese coaches no Amanfo dri sika de egu omo botoma enya sem kuma ahunso nsam no yare ma awo dwumadie no so na say na tie highest paid coach awo Europe no ahunso no nyina no yenso yade ba ma awo dwumadie no so na so wa wuni akom anso ne ya badia ane mpanyifo de list na pa na se wanwa papa uhwe coaches ni bia muziko mudi na se nyasem kuma ene upe coacha odisika o Europe pa na se coacha ni din enso ni Diego Pablo Simoni ono na mpanyifo chirema ono ni coacha ono so na disika ye papa enso na o Europe ahonsem nyina soro yare ya mai tiefo na sika coach na cheno ono so say na tie 30 million euros no ene ni sika ni coach no afibia ono so aje awa ya Atletico Madrid akatia ahonso nsam no yare ya mai tiefo na coach sero samno toso yabacha na brepam no ya de listen nyina so na braw enso na odwumade no so a ahon samno yare ya mai tiefo na enko na fensoro yenko piemo Liverpool akache abrante ne din enso no ade baye Luis Diaz no ono sa abrante be praia nyamencha dom abrante no so ade cover ahon sam nya yare ya mai tiefo kirem sa abrante ne din enso na de Luis Diaz no abrante na returning to Liverpool setup ni ma ono so hwani sa na wochie ya Gentman City no ono so abegyinamu na so wasi akan ede ama Liverpool bobo kono and also nsama yare ama etefo nya fede akona ne no Chelsea fo akasa omo kirem sa an Endo Fernandes aba meford na ede nanso no abrante ne din ade Moses Caicedo no onu so born club football ma Brighton and Hove Albion na nka Chelsea ye winter ne mu omo Chelsea abrante ne ba bepa nanso ne no abrante ne tima me piemu oh Chelsea fo akasa still na tie almost still omo ye interested our abrante ne din and so Moses Caicedo mo omo chanim sene sama no abrante ne bepa na fensu no wabesi akandia ma Chelsea na channel so abrante Caicedo o extended the contract and ma Brighton fi ne copy 2027 no and na bra abrante Moses Caicedo also extended the contract and ma Brighton and so Chelsea for some papa sika de omo obi Graham Potter obedi nkobo na fensu no Todd Polly etima twentwon ma na sika ba amakotu ma Brighton ma abrante din and so Moses Caicedo no wabesi akan and ma Chelsea bobo kone na nsema etodwa yare ma etiefo na onim sene ana senche 23rd of April no Manchester United na fenso no Brighton and Hove Albion na FA Cup semi-final game no esise so na penny for the time na ba omo kirema when 4:30 British time ana ne so no sa game na etodwa Manchester United na fenso no Brighton team no omo fa FA Cup semi-final game no Francisco so Wembley na yakwasiada 23rd of April no 4:30 British time no and then brand so sagem no and so to join ye come man you nsensem no Brandon din and so no ane aye Mason Greenwood no onu say Greenwood no nsensem be ye de twa we asa fanai be amfie be mienu ni Brandon din de Mason Greenwood nsada mobo Emfama United bobo ko no na sema ntem na ne court so no etuma drop charges nyina alfa Brandon no na report ne pa Brandon no ata on Manchester United pen focus nkonwa edi nkomo afutuo samko so ene omo kira Brandon an sabe no be hia urade intene Brandon ide ne Mason Greenwood no se ne court atumi ne charges ne nyina de agu ode a man you for so ne ba betena se ayen hyehyɛ na afa so no Brandon so atumi return join Manchester United team no no so atumi ba ball ene man you bobo ko no ene so ne nsema etodwa yare ma etiefo na former Spanish international head coach at Spain bobo ko no onu so Real de Luis Enrique Garcia onu say ne onya Spain national team coach biem papa na kasa osia na we coach o Barca Spain national team no we coach na mo mbabia na ne beji so be coach no the English Premier League no mo tie entama Luis Enrique kanie osia na ne beji say ne no obegba wuram England na fenso no the English Premier League no onu so team be coach na sansem no be to twa no ene kono se Spanish no kasa kirem say say Luis Enrique so be so ba England be coach dia Amushema Liverpool, our club, our ho, Man City, Ekra, and you know, Jose Pep Guardiola, Man U form no swapa, a direct hack our ho. Now, Tima, the modern mono, and Sedan Concaino, a Chelsea Bobo Kono, and a Chelsea supporters, no, Club Yamu, a Tremanca, and a young Pamu Grand Potter, Koyo success, much of a Potter must go. Ninteneno, se coach and Indian Louis Enrique Sen, and anybody, stop a coaching English Premier League team, dear, almost said, you know, a Chelsea and Neno, Louis Enrique. Aso be kochi intene ho sem so no e ba yeri ma etifo se debi no o ti se ne no Chelsea for so mo pe coach ani ne Luri Enrica me ma na nya won ase papa ndia tudwa se ne beji so ne obeba na fenso no wa be coach wa the English Premier League ma e ho so sem no yeri tudwa enso ne dia ma etifo na Jeremy Ayefrempong abrante no so ne obon club football enso na Belgium e o hot e challenge so sa abrante ne din sem dia tudwa e we ne no o German Bundesliga yes edema aye bino for Leverkusen abrante dia tudwa se ne no o hwe nim se Real Madrid abrante ne de Vinicius Junior enso be cost sia kan dia Madrid boboko no esansa breni adon nyira no ono Jeremy Ayefrempong no so tefie no hwe Madrid a ontwa abrante bia te se Vinicius Junior esansa abrante ne jeboa se ne obetwe adase aye skills ne nkechane ade no ono abrante ne de Jeremy Ayefrempong no na ne jiwu ye papa inteni opa abrante ne de Vinicius Junior ono abrante Jeremy Ayefrempong no ne jenu ye pa enya no wan se debi ono so betumi abrante na sie atuma si akan Madrid boboko no mo ano so ne nsema abetotwa yare ma yetiefo na nsemu do no nsem ne dos mi wuram na feso no be ne nsem ne de sidia abrante ne ne Angel Fabian Di Maria report ne pa echrem se ne antwa na Juventus team no ba man 1 year contract extension so no ho esansa abrante ne bai no ne modembo enso na osoro nyama konka ne ma Fabian Di Maria enso no Juve boboko no mo intene Juve force mo hwe ne Mr. abrante ne dey enso na Angel Di Maria no o mecho na feso no 1 year contract extension no almost so na tumi dia mano enso no boboko no e ka contract no sensem no solo tie wa goalkeeper tie David De Gea abrante na kasa unu se ne wadi 32 years Man U boboko no mo na nka Man U force o twa mmare mma e konka ne ma David De Gea yi and come on contract extension the guy say hey munya botre muntwentwen so ansa contract English for no muntwentwen so ansa is that metete say ne no Arab fo pesto meto team yi enti muntwen na Arab fo meto wie omuto wie na yes sika be batim no mo enti ne me bobo bi akra na engrofo betu enti ne no David ya kirema the Glazers no enya ntobo asem fam no oda twen wo say ne contract no onto be extended am United boboko no and so no nsema etotwa Janson yare ma etiefo na manyu nsam ne ba ene Marcus Rashford nsam abetotwa onu se ne meda social media se abrante no na wodwe bia no ose ankope £500,000 ene Marcus Rashford apa bontin se hey sansam na Amanfo keka social media samu social media ne ade na mo keka no ose sansam no enya ade no kura bia wom me nka nkire manyu se me pe £500,000 na wodwe bia na mmom no se manyu fo eto me modern ma me bona fi no meto makatu ma akona abrante ne dey enso de Marcus Rashford no ne be jewu esanse odomanyu obumanyu boboko no intene no sankane no manyu fortune na ketuama onde ankane ne be jewu na mo sansama Amanfo kana se £500,000 na wochi bia so ope no anya de no kura bia nso no awoma yere won sem nyina enso na mai tiefo na Chris Smalling so akasa o se ane 3 months na ka on contract ma Roma ono so be giatum na finso no wa extend no contract no e de ma Roma boboko no on se Juvenile Interfo nyina so mo pe no na so no akoma e Roma ntero no ono abrante Chris Smalling so no hwe nim so be extend no contract so no atumi e de ma Roma boboko na tie Man City for omo se sika bon a omo tie Sheikh Mansour enzo ne check atani omo kasa omo se Man City stadium no omo chede ahu se capacity no nchera nso ene omo so mu biemu and it 61,000 capacity internet solo TS come di wuram as gavoid omo ye papa omo so £300 million and the Ura City it has stadium no normal extension yet kroma na ya now no ko pebo sia sa o mining ye ko pebo sia e no Sheikh Mansour and Sheikh Atani almost say £300 million omo di wuram e o tia stadium na film extension no omo tumi di aye da copy 61,000 capacity and also na sama abetotwa yanso yari my tie for na me di sidia ba minti ansoro boboko an din and so no na de Tottenham bobo koro onu se ne Antonio Conte ko omo so mo hwe ni se Julian Nagelsmann on so hwe ni se Bayern for Jan kwan dia omo so ba kofa no and so no atumi e de apa omo chemu se likely so se former coach Mauricio Pochettino ono so no ebetima pa na afi so abesi akan and so no anaso abe coachi aye Tottenham bobo koro and so no nsema abetuja ye de ama tie fon nsema no do so na mom ne se na fata sa woteno na no pay so no ya tena se ya so ye de aba kan ketsi star 787 omukra mu a ne nsema no nyina no so no ya tumi e de apro and so no ewo dwumadi no so ntino ye twa ye homra on na solom fa fisem no emfa nwuram ye wia na ya be din komo and so no ewo fiantie ye twa ye waba na fisem no atumi atoa moso.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier
Okoman
League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
All right, and so no mami ko solo wana yuram na fe so na fisam no e doso papa na yuram na yemfani nyina so no emfambro solo ze nsam no doso wo fie.
Okay, bebre doso papa so otwe hu nwi no nti ya bo ni na no de ba. Amanfo so hu senia enti nsam no de bebre wom ya de ni na ba.
But mami fa quick announcement in film. Anu ana me ne Delali Dreams FC edin command yeah I say media phone and boss mo ba no accreditation dem o kwa station idea
na hearts
ne Dreams FC no
nya
dia accreditation me koso
okay
dem o ba na station ID na o de ache it no journalist for media phone boss mo ko broadcaster na mo ko telecast hearts ne and Dreams ne hearts game no Dreams ne bo home Dreams ne hearts folk game no anu ni yan say also no the station ID wa boy rem na game no so no watimi abedi dwumadi enti no and also ne nkai boka kre wo ho
ya te ase enti ye be ko de ye be ko pa enti omo hwe ye nim
te chana 3 pm
ye ban so amuma ne man de dadin kama
bia ye ko na me ka kire nse bia media for yetena ho na wifu na agi afa ye men fancy wifu na ba stadium no stadium ye num wi wo ho ye hwe bo agi ani ombe no ombe num omwi am pe base mfama om enye bebia media for no betena
ombe ba
betena ho
aba num wi agu ni paso
me ka kire no o se wate e kina me frɛ no
se ye kwa ye be hwe
e kina me frɛ no wo show no so antana
o kina no pa ye no be kasa
e wie du stadium mo sam den be kɔ ho wa kɔ hwɛ nti Delali anope ma minchi a onno ye media officer
Adima Dreams
bobo ko aminchi an papa antino za ye be kɔ ano no
yanko
street na yanko
abusia ti ye ma wa che ma akwa ban famra dwumade nso emra so local stories no na wo say ye de eba na ohun se ne ensam no ye doso na so ne se fata no ana no pay yatena se ye de ni na so etumi ye de eba bedan wo na ohun se ne a no so ye ko Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 ewo Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook do a like page no share ma unya nya bi share Facebook fa comment enso fa to ase ye beje pre ye be kenkan ni na enso atumi ye de ama na wahun se ne a enso etie afenso odi wani akiremo enso wo YouTube a ho no so ye Okoman Radio 97.1 ewo YouTube e ho so do wono ma na wa subscribe ne kama na afenso wo de comment enso atumi ye de agu ho enso ye beje pre ye be kenkan ni nyina onso etumi ede amawo na onso wahusania enso etumi etienti anapai na se bebre no a enso ena yede eba enso ewo ehonom na yebedi kan ede free MTN FA Cup no enso na wahusania enso etiene na mde ama osesi ano na oduwani achemu MTN FA Cup draw no enso etumi abaso na no adame boboye enso we fie ha ede ema ndra me ma fixtures no sane tie for quarter final matches no na wo senata ena wono eye panyimpa woda MTN FA Cup no enso committee no ano na wadi nkomom ede atugwa se takwafo ewio mu stadium na omo ye ne dia ene finals no ebekota kwa ehonom na MTN FA Cup no yebekwa kwenya yenkotie nsama wo senata ede to yanim ede efa MTN FA Cup final venue yebekwa kwesi so akan no
because yeah, to maybe more I be surprising more takwa. Really? This is a vampire and Kamubi Stadium now because there are maybe that has to happen. One is a stadium normally latest by end of April. Send a licensing committee club licensing on and making sure the BPI or Omaja and send it to me a commission match. But so much me we are they are committee no but we still have to do a few negotiations with media money local authority also. Okay. And we were but yes, Yakuma should be told us very few Western yet me. I am a fiaba.
Wey ayen samwa wo senata wono wade tu gwa ade fa MTN FA Cup grand finale no babia yebekọ akwakọ no ena ode ho nhyehyɛ nyina ade tu gwa ntese takwafo ewio mu stadium no mo eye no dia and the finals no ebekọ takwa eno ayen sama efiri ade ba no payete wade ma ye ka MTN FA Cup quarter final fixtures no say enetie 7th April ena ye hyase eno eye Friday e Theatre of Dreams ye Dreams FC ebehia Legon Cities bobo koyonom de abani afi Saturday 8th April no and also ewo Tamale Aliu Muhammad Sports Stadium RTU ebehia so atreman no mo de abani Sunday 9th April and also Sky FC ebetra St Martin's Park Dabuase no mo abusuan Doves abona afi Sunday chrono ano ehono Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex enso game na beba so Kinfesa enso ni Aduana FC na bebo no live and so I was start time television MTN FA Cup matches no and mabubo so and so to me the man war and so honom na yemfa ni nchiremo e won semfo from yemra Ghana Premier League no and rather matches are and so course our week 24 no and so outstanding matches are na aka no mpanyifo ye difro na say ene kokko wiye and so our Ewag Sports Stadium na Legon Cities and so tenafie e was still club ya metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ema mosu di bani ebe wie no na 1-1 Legon Cities eshe bakon Kotoko enso eshe bakon na Ukotamala RTU enso eshe Kamien Sanditi Accra Great Olympics omonso entumi ante eno eye koso enso ewo ho na fe Midiama enso game omonso eboye no na Midiama rain of first half no after say ebe wie no eno ekoso ewo takwa emonte so ukuada no na sa game no enso etumi ekoso na mom ne ekoba ne se Midiama ba se endra omoto aso no omonso di nkunim ekabako ewo mu game omonso eboye na emu so far league table no say ena etie mechira Ghana Premier League Bet Power Premier League table no Aduana Stars decline 41 points. Bechem Tosumienu 40. Midiama Tosumiensa 40. Has Tosumiensa 38 points. Accra Lions Tosu Enum 38. Asante Kotoko Tosu Nsia 35. Gold Stars Tosu Enson 35. Brekum Chelsea Enso Tosu Enwachu Gold Stars na Olusuye. Ediema Midiama Nti Ono Abetosu 7 35. Chelsea Etosu 8 34. Samates Tosu 9 33. RTU Tosu 10 32. Dreams Etosu 11 30 points in Soutramai Etosu 12 30 Karela Tosu 13 29 Tamale Cities Enso Etosu 14 Wanuwa 28 Legon Cities Abatosu 15 or 28 Kinfesa Etosu 16 28 Great Olympics Tosu 17 28 and Afe Kotoku Royals Etosu 18 and also our 20 points our Ghana Premier League no and so table na so anope yetu won e de ma wo yankwa reactions a etumi ekosi ye enso our GMP matches ahoro a ene so etumi ekoso endra enso na yemfa ho nkomo enso ntumi amfama ne edi kan no ye fi asem e de afri asoro na udu ani akire mo enso e de anasa krobia meta ma santu kotoko omo enyakoto Legon Cities eni omo enso etumi abo ye ba wie na ye 1-1 na game na ba wie na Branta wonya man of the match e wo game ni mu no e ye Richmond Lamptey oni na nya man of the match in the last chance a wonya ye e wo game ni mu no ose no oboto kire ba bi kura ose to no weaker foot e ye ne nine no right no so ono so ye lefty eni nti e na wantumi ambo ni ye anhye nyemo after the game a winning man of the match no nkoma Richmond Lamptey e de to ye nim ni
for the past actually and shara enkoyi my de intino results are penny near per win but game intino I am being 1-1 there that's 7 Akropong. Okay, I think born the aboni na but you wouldn't say like elusu a little focus and I'm take me passing any BBI accurate there intino like me deserve someone on the match. Okay, I know that meeting me and blame me who pay because now I on my right side intino and my born call as Rosada. Then the more catch fans and say mama boom boy so me mo ko so answer but here na your promise say be defend the title.
Wey sama Richmond Lamptey wonu ye player de ma santo kotokobo boko no de tu egwa na Maxwell Kunedum na ono so ekochi Legon Cities boboko no ono na ye home coach anase coach a obo home na ono so game ne ba wie no omubo 1-1 Maxwell Kunedum se ball na omu dominate omu bobo na emra kotokobe shom no first half to me ante second half ono mo ye ehwe ye nsakra bi se be ya team no enso betumi ababete omoka na omasampo akoso enya goal na nso ni name no 1-1 eno mo boy coach Maxwell Kunedum.
I think it was a keenly contested game. The match was very, very difficult for us, especially in the first half. I mean, we went in and re-strategized. And when we came in the second half, we saw that our opponents were, loading their back line. They were playing 5 men in defense. So we kept on pushing until we had the equalizer. And after that, it was a ding-dong affair, and 1-1. We have to thank God and move on because we did everything, tactically to win the game, but we couldn't. We have a very decent chance to score. It fell on the way of Ama, but he decided to, use the toe instead of using the inside of the foot to maybe chip the ball over the goalkeeper. But that's game. It's past and gone, and we can't bring that back. We only have to keep pushing and keep fighting until we climb up the ladder. Match we strategically, planned. I mean, we wanted to end the match very, very strong. And that is what happened. Unless it's a starter for us. But we decided to pull him back because of the second half. But we know the power he has, the effort he can bring on board. So we brought him in the second half and it paid off. We were lucky, it paid off, and we kept pushing, to get the second goal, but it couldn't just happen. We're not going to relegation, or the team will not be relegated. We'll climb up the ladder. Trust me, we'll climb up.
Coach Maxwell Kunedum, head coach Adiama Legon Cities, and I wote nenka se odin samahrom enso etumi ade tu egwa na interim coach Edema Kotoko Abdullahi Ghazali ono so na de team no eko ewaka group amaso eko ball 1-1 Ghazali enso edin samadu to go after say game no eba na we
goal from our opponents, so we'll take it that way because we're thinking of getting the 3 maximum points, especially looking at the way the pitch is. It was not helping us at all, but as we are going on, we'll go back to the drawing board, work on a few things, and then start to think about what to do in the next match. Yes, it's a game that, if it's true, we shall win the game. We shall win the game by 3-1, but unfortunately, we were not able to convert that particular goal scoring chances. But still, we are going to work on it. Well, this is what we are lacking, and for the past 2 days, that's what we have been working on, how to finish. Looking at the way we play, we're trying to use the wing and then finish it in the 18 yards area. Unfortunately, we're not able to finish the game well. From tomorrow going, that is what we're going to work on. We'll work on the final touches that we need to do in order to always convert our chances like this. In fact, what we asked him to do is he did exactly that. because looking at the way he is, he's very tough on the ball. He's very defensive minded, even though he's a striker. You could see that whenever they pass a ball, even to their centre back and then the goalkeepers, he tries to push on to get the ball. He did exactly what we asked him to do, and he have to continue with that one. You are definitely, because we are working hard. You know, Kotoko without a trophy, there's no league, and the boys they know it in their mind. And once we are going back to the house, we are going to work and then make sure that the rest of the game, we still have 11 matches to go. If you are able to get at least wins out of that particular matches, we are likely to come on top of the league, and that is what we are going to work on. We'll pick the match one by one, then to you, and that is what we are going to. We are playing at home. We cannot afford to lose that match, or we cannot afford to draw again. So we are going back to to Kumasi, work hard, and then get the 3 matches more points in order to close up the gap in the league table.
Wey Abdullahi Ghazali, ono interim coach Edema Kotokobobo Koniyanko Tamale. RTU Olympics and so Shomo 3-1 Emma Olympics Ediencho. Assistant coach Edema Great Olympics Isaac Niyama. After the game, Niyama Nkoma also did 2 gwani.
Results you wanted in this game. Very difficult match for Great Olympics. Your quick reaction to your defeat?
I think we are very disappointed. But we came into this match with only 1 centre backs. All our centre backs are injured against Legon City, so we needed to force Kasim to play as a centre back today. But we were very disappointed. We scored the first goal. We thought everything was okay. In the second half, a lot of things happened. But for me, it's part of the game. 10 more matches to go. We just go back to the drawing board and try to put our pieces together.
How do you turn the fortunes of Great Olympics, because things definitely are not going as expected?
We'll do our best. We are tacticians, and a tactician needs to fight another day. This is just a match, so we have 10 more matches to go. So I think we will fight very hard until the end.
1 point in your last 2 games, not the best. How is the game plan going to look like in your next match?
I think we are very optimistic, because the 2 centre backs who got injured are back. They will get fit tomorrow. The doctors will declare them. We are also expecting 2 of our players who featured in the Meteors team, and I believe we will have a full house to play against Broken Chess.
You've not been so quite long taking over this club. Can you assure the fans of Great Olympics that you survived the drop zone?
That is the most problem. When you take a team in the half season, you definitely struggle. But it happens to top class coaches, so we are optimistic. We are tacticians, so we'll keep on fighting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Niyama some we are tacticians. Enti ombe ye juma oni coach Bismarck Kobe Mensah. Omo ye juma Olympics akache. Enti ombe turn things around. Edema Great Olympics. Abdul Mumin Abdullahi, assistant coach Edema RTU, and the assistant coaches no. And omokasa ye wo Olympics ne RTU game no. And so I say na also omunya win no odwanenum kakra.
3 in 6 matches or so. How relieved are you in this win against Great Olympics?
Thank you very much. I think we are all happy. The fans are happy. You know, the game is a process. You don't just jump into getting a win. It has to follow a particular pattern. Looking at the performance we exhibited far away in Twumhene crew, I knew we were going to get something positive out of today's match.
Still not the best of performances we have seen since you took over. Yes, though you have gotten your first win in this game. Are you sure, and are we going to expect more in the next 10 matches?
Yes, I think we'll build up from where we have left off. But you are saying not the best of performances. That one is subjective. So I wouldn't go into that. So we'll see better performance from our team.
What are the plans? You are going to Kumasi Asante Kotoko this weekend. Very tough match for Real Tomorrow United.
Yes, I think we respect them as a very big club. But on the field of play, I think every material that is in Kotoko, RTU players are also capable of playing that team. So it's going to be a normal game like we have been playing.
We saw the fans' reaction to this victory. How are you going to keep this momentum in your subsequent games?
Yes, definitely. I always tell my players that the fans, their happiness is driven from the win that we normally get. And they have 2 folds of this happiness. they will be called names, big names, and then they will get something into their pockets. So I think that the fans have been very supportive. We encourage them to continue. When the goalie is not even getting better, they should try to support the team. I think we were down very early in the first half, but we were able to break through to get this victory. Any questions?
Wey enso ay Abdul Mumin Abdullah, assistant coach at the RTU now and Kana Yankov, a Ghanaian international. The senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, Abrantan Babunyani debut game at the Ghana, and now Yako Angola, any Angola for Enso Kokoboy. Their friend Kingsley Schindler. Na also the somehow radio tugwa after say owie Black Stars assignment no and some trophy in the komo any evidence and no anka sakura no ya wona Ghana ha no kro ben so no free also no ya wona Ghana ya wona Hamburg Germany nyemom no ofri Kumase eye Barekese yentie Abrantan de Kingsley Schindler ne nkoma odetu yenim.
You want me Hamburg, Germany, but Maba has several times, so it's easy for me to adapt with the weather. It's easy for me to adapt with the culture and everything. So there was no problem for me to get involved in anything. Madam Osepa, Mama, warm welcome. Madam Osepa said the law of the Muduma, Kumasi, and also in Accra here. It's amazing, and I'm thankful for that. And that shows me again to be a proud Ghanaian, and yeah, I'm very happy to be here. I'm a Danyamia GFA for and the coach. I'm my opportunity to my team give me my debut because I'm very happy to be here. Very happy to get such a great welcome from the guys, from the staff, from the team, and yeah, I'm proud and really grateful to make my first game for the Black Stars.
Kingsley, when you are Japan, made him call up when you
It's a long way. It's a long time, but sometimes in football it is what it is, and I was always staying positive, always praying, always giving my best. So that the final call was now makes me happy, and yeah, I'm from Kumasi, Barekese. That's where I'm coming from, where my parents are coming from. So and then I'm a Miniaji say, Meba Ghana. We've played in Kumasi and won the game. So yeah. And also come now, I'm happy.
Otoka sani na twi ni brofo no de afrafra na abrantie yi koso de nkoma wuro to yenim ye bisa ne say wababebo Black Stars there or national team player nti okọ back to FC Colonna ni teammates no o mani be jino pa fe mbe wusa o different e wo mu ndebo no say onko ye no kro ma sha say man message kromu ha o no o dikan kro man message ni coaches and afi ni teammates no o man message nti o man kasa be wusa yes say so no so a special player or a national team player and or team needing the FC Colonna.
We seem a little bit different because now as a national player for a big country like Ghana who has been involved in several World Cups, yeah, I've got a lot of messages from the coach, from the staff. They're very proud and happy, and yeah, I'm looking forward to see them to go back with confidence, and get as much playing time as I can and helping the team to succeed.
Okay, Kingsley Schindler, no na enyane be na opa wo krom ha Ghana ye duane ye fufu banku ye wo bi ti se kokonte ye wo tio safi ni nyina no ne wampa na wo ope
Maybe I'm timid jollof, fufu, banku, jehu, bibia. I'm used to it because I was grown up like this. So maybe it was no difficult for me to adapt with the food and stuff like this because I had the stages of the deep power, so much money power to me about born new because when I'm so you have to get power. So it was easy for me to adapt.
Kingsley Schindler, ope diane pa. Na open niehuo eyeto safi okwa shantmemu a obofre niehuo na abrante say Ghana dey aju the main as na benya power dey abobo say na weather no so te na aju the main enti oba Ghana niane bu enum odi papa na osadi to yanim say oba be si akan dey ma national team ya Black Stars no eyo no ani own decision and no so to me take here.
This one is not, it was a choice by heart to play for Ghana. Even though Yemfan is in the youth, I wouldn't be like, say no, but I was feeling from the day one that I want to play for Ghana. So this was a choice by heart, even though they have collected me earlier, something like this. To play for Ghana, it makes me proud. Even day when the hymn was playing, I was nearly crying because it made me feel proud and made me really enjoy this moment. So yeah, as I said, choice by heart.
Kingsley Shindler no owie kura na say ono enwom opepa de Afrobeat na opese otie Burna Boy openitie papa sakode Black Sheriff sankrofo no opomunyomutie yentie Kingsley Shindler.
Afrobeats, Enyumbia, Burna Boy woho, Sarkodie woho, Black Sheriff woho. We had some good DJs in the team who were playing some good music. So this is beside because everybody who's coming new, he needs to dance. So this is also something. Maybe you're a little bit shy to do that, but as soon as you did it, you're feeling comfortable with the guys. So yeah, I tried my best to get some skills to show them some sakakra.
Eno ayen samu abranti ani de Kingsley Shindler wano FC Cologne defender the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana yen game ayen Angola boy no second game no Angola kromo no ono ene boy right back no enso tumi de ma yen ya wo hwe ne modern bon na ya na wosoro ena fe ode nsama horo e de atugwa Ghana Premier League Monday 25 weekend we ejinamo de den ya enye feti agro sha ase wochena ewo Dewago Pamaso Dream FC Tenafie 3 p.m. on a Hatterfolk Airbomb live and so start time television so afei ewon crying Agropamaso Accra Lions in cry Jata Omni King Facer and so bebo and so 3 p.m. and afei udwane chemo kwasiada ewo in cry Agropamaso Great Olympics ebe share brekum Chelsea yenko enyina second park Kerala United and so be share Summertest 1996 afei Dawu Agropamaso kwasiada Kotoku Royals ehye Midiama ha Kotoku match na no den emu ya den Edmomo ba yan sha say almost 3 no de ebia Midiama kwasiada amso betumi age enso ewedaw Nana Ajima Bedu stadium no Eduana FC kwasiada Asia Tamale Cities na mo so abo na afi Nana Kramansa Park ehonso kwasiada inso atraman ani Bechem United bebo Baba Yara Agropamaso Okoman Asante Kotoko enso behia RTU kwasiada nwumre no nsia 6 p.m. na sa game no ebeba so na afi Edwoada no miensa ewiacherefo Monday 3 p.m. ewo Bibiani Dance Park Go Stars enso any Lagos Cities enso ebebo eno ene neatie ewo Ghana Premier League ni mami kwa wie kura ewo the noble art of self defense boxing nyame adumu a wochena Ghana ni abrante ni din enso ede Isaac the Royal boy abrante ni din ede Dogbe wono enso ejiro kwa anu a enye fediagro na nina no enso ne se North American Boxing Federation one featherweight title no and abrante ni din ede Isaac Dogbe wono so ene Robesi Ramirez enso de kwakwo buani den ewo US of A Oklahoma ehonom ena sa about no enso eba so ewo Tulsa na gani enso ewese nyama betumi akonkan enso tumi ade ama ne bauta wono so eba bebo no eba no WBO super bantamweight no watumi agide da enti wa yasa this time around no obesan so ewuram na ne modemo atumi akonkan no GBA Ghana Boxing Authority one more president and a authority ni na akambom at the goodwill message and so to me adama Isaac Dogbe say onram na fe nkunim no onkwankwaje FM my Ghana on left a Ghana flag no and so nkosoro ema mansan nyina and so untumi hu ne say yes Isaac Dogbe ne modemo no and so ya dia etumi akonkan ti na say nei almost the goodwill message no and so to me adama say message no almost to encourage all Ghanaians, especially the boxing fraternity, and afe omo remember them, and so say all kono Ghana fo nyina mpai bom, and so techire say nyame adoma wochena nkunim no de ebinko emfama no na ebinko emfama o man Ghana na ebinso nko emfama boxing authority no nte Ghana Boxing Authority president awano ehwe to nioma na ekon kan enso ewo krom a eba no boxing pa dia di bia di de no Abraham Kote ono na fe ono Ghana Boxing Authority na akabo me the good one message e di ama Isaac Dogbe se onkodi nkunim nyame adoma wachena e woni bauta wono so ebeboni men komo no bebre wachire women's leg no nyina ebeba so nyame adoma na watwi awie ye oba Facebook a fixtures no Ziggy ene Mark de beto obehuni na enso e wo honem nti nyame adom a eno so ebeba so over the weekend ya trase ochena ye de mu nkomo e de beba CAF enso hihye mu no omo matches ahoro of a Champions League ebeba so ena fe AFCON 2023 date no eno aba nyame adom a na se ye wuram na yakwa akobo no January na ye wuram den enso akobo enso ho no nyina no ba Facebook azigi no mada ro mam de beto obehu date ni bibia sane a enso etientimi jamu na ekasom na fe ya to aso de ma.
All right, anti solo na de efisem ni nyina enso na dia ba na brand ko ye be hwe na be din komo e ofia ba star 787 asem kan chow and Friday yes me da arabe da na fifia da najo ntene no bowre ma na fin so no e chana jackpot na beto dwa no onso fa ho chium fa phone na bo star 787 as star 787 as na fin so no ko anim choose to play now and first option no na we about to tickets na fin so no wa twen na draw no ba achina wa na 700,000 Ghana cedis jackpot no onso watumi e de nwa jimum na o chese na obre na duna ene no chop money promo no guso chop money promo no guso nti emprempren ato ticket na afin so yen Chelsea free na so fa kodidi ano pay auto ticket a ye Chelsea na de akodidi na afin ticket no yen so no yatumi ade aye draw no kura so de ama na 10,000 Ghana cedis ene jackpot achina beto no eno so wanya kwanya awi ni bi enti no fa ho gym star 787 house na so pesika efegu ubotom penje chemu bi afre 0559689948 0559689948 WhatsApp 0272636448 0272636448 now so far ngujim star 787 house now so pesika efegu ubotom emitia mommy's joint we biem papa mommy's joint abna ma we biem papa motie show no ntano pay ma minchia ne ye papa na minchia akosu afa akosu ansa no so biema omotie show no enso no elho yebedi nkomo onim se Ghana Premier League fixtures no echina matches awodo na wo but yendi kanhwe Isaac the Royal Storm Dogbe WBO featherweight championship bout china na ju ewuram kwesi ada omache one Abrantia Nidin Adi Rosabi Ramirez from Cuba and the boy Nino Yendimu and Komo. The chances no share Isaac Stone Dugba lose about four bouts. I want to carry a Muna Oshe Ramirez and so out of 12 fights, we win 11 and so on the 12 fights. Why you move and Tinino records kakra and also no ever ho. Bamiko solo we are number say Tombo na fin so no ya Storm Dugbe ne ntokwa no. Solo remember me ewo Isaac Dugbe enso na kachi.
Ego mi da seminchia na minchia tiefo na fe ahwefo a ehwe ewo Facebook. Ano penchia kese en confirm mo minchia Mr. Blue ene ebusuani na Mr. Blue biumpa o ma biema omo so yetie show ni ntia no penchia kese en confirm mo na obi bia utie yen anopai echia nyame adom ochena Dogbe ejun kwa no ohwe anim se ebekọ yie enso etumi ade amano ewo ne ntokwa obekọ akọkọ no enso yemu enye easy sa se o kwa ko jinam na one Cuba brand ye and the BC Ramirez ekwa akọbọ no ono okita record in terms of boxing ban say performance no osoro a owo ban experience Dogbe experience nese no but age wise no Ramirez any asin Dogbe was just a year ewo honum but we Isaac Dogbe onu so chase record be a Yakunedu any Azuma Nelson ayede ato omuni the only Ghanaian boxers are omukita world title mienu. And the Isaac Dogbe so hwe himself onu so beba benya bi or WBO bantamweight title da honum. And I'll show him say Nyame adoma North American Boxing Federation or featherweight title or chra obebono so no obesi enya da title no na afi wa babeka Azuma Nelson na afi ya kunedu omu record omu set dey ato say Ghanaian boxers omukita world title mienu ewo kromu ano no so ababeka ho we ne bout awakwa a perform bia but the last time Oshia Abrantan did Navarrete defeat no waje title no different in same but aside say on Emmanuel Navarrete boy on the boy 2018 oje sa title na WBO junior featherweight title 2018 Emmanuel Navarrete beje different in same on the san ko boy 2019 Emma Navarrete said defended that title no SNG definition but aside that no watumi abo 3 bout watumi akontokwa miensa after say olusu edema Emmanuel Navarrete and on Adam Lopez boy owini ye oba Abrantan de Chris Avalos on no be kon ye owini ye and call Adam Lopez so owini ye Christopher Diaz owini ye and waba George Gonzalez and then the last bout wakum and BO international featherweight title and then the last bout our boy ono so owini ansa na odebabeshia Ramirez nyame adoma wachina enti after say on Emmanuel Navarrete boy 2 bouts eto aso 2018-2019 Emma Navarrete boy born no watumi akon ntokwa no mako and 9 after Navarrete there no we winning na and also the babeshia aya Abrantan dey enso dey Robisi na Ramirez we dogbe ya out of 26 bout awakono we defeat the 2 and I won 24 wins and I 15 by way of a knockout so the record no emuye say wakon 26 now we lose 2 pe we need 24 now when 15 knockout now they say knockout ni say ye kwa wa bonipa no paw na endu ye wie ran no na referee I still say baby you need there ntokwa ni ye ntwa so na wanya sa 15 the performance na yade a e was so but when you compare Abrantan ni enso de Robisi Ramirez one no akun 12 pe and out of the 12 bout no we win 11 defeat ni e ba ko pe and I don't know 2020 American boxer the Adam Gonzalez in the team defeat no after no and Gonzalez no so ni obi o na kon to kwa kan oni di kan e kon ye and after so ni Gonzalez kon ye no wa bebo Rafael Morales one Jurin Adujans enso akom Felix Caraballo wa kwa to aso e win 11 and we lose back and sa 11 we win asanso lose back no so o hwese performance and so to me kwa ni knockout no and so kitamu 7 and to no so ba no box na the performance ade a wosoro o ya Abrantie bi a o ware so the height e compare Dogbe and so height Dogbe ya 5 feet 2 inch and o hwe Ramirez and dey no so 5 feet 5 inch and 165 centimeters compared to Dogbe 163 and to worry esansu weight no esen Isaac Dogbe and the sand baby says wo kwa kwehia na techniques and also with the uran to kwanim and ye hope say after Emmanuel Navarrete na Akuffo e win sa for ni na no the 5th time no obesanya enya that victory no na wababeka kunedu and afi Azuma Nelson and so ehuna ne dan record no on so tumi ayebi wababe another Ghanaian boxer on so world title me no because they say boxing no Ghana ya grow nyina baby ye nyina nya ye medals baby ye gi edin edi afri no boxing ho na ye gi edin edi afri enti say ye boxer bi kwa akoko am Dogbe nim sane ayeko US of A when you the first time US and to when him say they supporting base net here United States him say nia entokwa no esi ekofa onim how referees enso etumi edi entokwa no enso etumi ade efa enti okomu no onim okwan obefa so a obetumi aye en yesre say ni coaches no ene omo boa no ebetumi aboa ni yie because boxer wo kwakohia no e wo mu say on share dan hit bia sa promotion no man as division no mo there but on so another boxer ohwe ne tournament awakọ Olympic Games ene ne awakọ nyina o we need gold medal and they free ho at the but until also performance there was nti yan we say Isaac Dogbe all the best senya me aduma watchina obenya victory no e dey ama Ghana nyina.
All right, I know solo Isaac Dogbe there no and so Babana said Tom abeka crowd afa Dogbe mo badam solo the FIFA ranking no Coca-Cola FIFA ranking no and so to me about my boss tell na say Tom American dey wo Isaac Dogbe and so Africa top 10 no any Morocco leading kind over world na also 11th Senegal also me Africa world na also 18th Tunisia also me world 28th Algeria and 9 Africa world 33 Nigeria mpone nam 33 in Ghana there Egypt also enum Africa world 35 Nigeria in Africa world 40 Cameroon and so 7th Africa world also Nigeria Cameroon Africa 7th world 42 Ivory Coast also 8th Africa world 46th position and Ivory Coast Burkina Faso also 9th Africa world also 50 Mali also 10th position Africa world also 53 There's a top 10 of Ghana.
FIFA for agent.
Are they?
Wait. Burkina Faso Ghana, Mali aba, Cameroon aba, Nigeria aba, yako World Cup. Yako share there. But qualify to World Cup no kura no achievement. Nigeria no
after yabo World Cup meba even yabo World Cup here then aye. What Africa Ghana you toss to 11th.
And I'm just
World you toss to 60.
60 yeah.
Oh
what there? Say African position in the one position.
When you say ranking, it's not only based on the your senior side.
Yeah, I know.
Local black stars you can
performing.
Yeah. Account and I'm there ranking. Your league you cry about cry sebi you do baby cry.
Burkina Faso other national teams they don't know my. Nigeria other national teams. Then know my.
The points difference maybe where a month of March.
In the month of March.
Ebia February there. A points difference. A points in the ranking so. In Ebia me points am accumulate egu ono. Ebedu March no na bia performance was sure. And then just say so between bia na points no kwa unclose. Me dey na here.
February Nigeria the points accumulated
last AFCON you Burkina.
Yes.
You Burkina.
Aside AFCON
OBT can qualify out of our group.
Yes. But aside AFCON.
Now you so AFCON you qualify aside AFCON
you qualify to World Cup.
What did you do? You
and then Burkina baby you do your qualify.
That's what I'm saying sir. Even points or accumulative or AFCON.
So are they telling us
World Cup qualification points now gain you know.
Ono anko crowd.
Metiase wanko metiase. What AFCON no quite idea. Points are accumulative or AFCON.
And only more than you qualify to World Cup.
World Cup, no?
Are they telling us, sir?
Sanity.
Sir, even World Cup qualifiers.
No, just Burkina Ghana or
even Mali. Mali grad use side, you know. I'm performing kakra 17-20 no I'm performing kakra and I'm change your ye ho adwuma tiani de but Ivory Coast Burkina Faso ye AFCON di every yes I'm perform me ba and I make say I'm performing at the same e ba o manim esen ye do ba bia so FIFA patch ye say yenya yejitum say World Cup and most tournamental yebo across football World Cup in etesu bibia World Cup ne dikan and the country bia ni so adu say World Cup obekobi player bia ni so adu say World Cup obekobi and bibia qualifiers no yebo do ye no kra Burkina Faso endu ho
na o kasa kra last
Cote d'Ivoire
ana 20 say Asia Gio
yes that every banyo yakwaje wafu under 20 and so baby World Cup qualifies baby edu yesia Nigeria Nigeria free mu qualify to qualify to the World Cup no kwano ne points no e shase ni obebo AFCON Burkina Faso first for urem e wa AFCON nim we dey amumre biem eke as
Burkina Faso last AFCON
first four by
so no woman
first four Burkina Faso qualify cross check mami first four obema and Mali he no do here Cote d'Ivoire he no mu do ye ko World Cup Cote d'Ivoire
Mali AFCON ko do
ye ko World Cup Senegal Morocco Ghana and Tunisia and how be ye ko African countries ye ko World Cup Senegal, Morocco, Ghana, Tunisia. Yeah, 5. Cameroon. Et Mali encore. Burkina Faso encore. And they are then. We do amumra bi make. Now
susu say Ghana more than
top
10 Africa you buram.
First 10 the Ghana was say uram.
Position ben and go say first 10 I saw.
What the 8 9 10.
8 9 10 you so na ayaji
8 9 10.
8 here Ivory Coast.
8 Ivory Coast. I na make sure say o say you in free because they call what
Cup. Ono anya no points ni in free o.
Ivory Coast points no performance no ya say. Ye da ye ku ye.
So ochina ba be this time come. Echina ba be this time come.
Cross check ni ehun omo na performance. Omo records no omo want some.
Ghana ye more hwe in the last 2 years ye more hwe.
Even qualify ye nim say ye more hwe ye nim. But if you qualify to the World Cup no nko.
That's what I'm saying. Qualifying to the World Cup alone no guarantee say FIFA ranking be chobi.
But
because if you are points are accumulate here doing qualification.
Yes.
Onu say points in the ranking.
But Morocco 11th wa better award ni na World Cup no.
What also fourth.
World Cup performance.
I'm saying say meba solo set up or qualify to the World Cup. We're gaining points kakra ho. An African team for the first time in a World Cup history. I do semi-finals. Your points will be accumulated.
I make sure say.
But who qualify you?
Morocco dia no.
Who the open saw the qualification in Kwana Aztec. Dabi.
Me man wodo, man ka wodo, but me say Morocco the world position. Our better 11th no. Yeah, countries are sign omo. But ni na in the performance or then the World Cup ni ten about world ranking so or better 11th.
So yeah there.
Yes.
Oh yeah there.
Me manyade but me qualify here.
That's what I'm saying. Qualification is enough.
Oh. Nigeria no cry yebo qualifies a year na year na say ya. O tena fie lusu ya.
And you lose na nya na hwe. So Tom, I Dogbe 1 minute pe na Ghana Premier League.
Kamehwe Ghana Premier League no.
Oh, and until we are not in nya ewura breko na yeko.
Boss senior aka bibrafa Dogbe fight no. Na Dogbe na osi so na nya nim so be say Azuma ba kakra okọ or recorders will break here china and you all the best but you hear Ghana Premier League you hear from you hear league log from 10 to 17 Kotoku Royals the emphasis say they say kwa na oko
Kotoku dia no table no zigi wo table na fan to na Amanfo hu senian table no so sifa etia Ghana Premier League no mo Ghana Premier League table no mon fan tour na
16 17 no from second round na changes machine and so
on because the Olympics are betom
yes
ana Kim Fight Kim Fight and so one game Kim Fight at 15th 15th yeah say Olympics they lose here It's a Kimfaisa about.
Is it one was 17?
17th, Olympics.
Olympics. One was 16.
16 at Tamale City.
Okay.
And a Kimfaisa about 15. Because
one
for our stand.
Tamale cities.
Yes, Senator Tamale
Kotoko.
Yes. Kimfaisa are standing in one Kotoko and Obo home.
Omo Baba Yara.
Omo Weko Baba Yara. And so pick up draw crowd woman. About 29. On a Kerala Babe Epe.
From Dreams to events 17th will be able to make relegation.
Yes, because Dreams 11 30 points.
One match
and weekend which fixtures na senior fixtures no. Dreams had to focus in able.
Yes.
Anna Accra Lions in Kimfaisa. A tough game. Kerala position no. Kerala also 13th with 29 points. Kerala ne Samatex unable and likely say Kerala be winning. And now Tamale City 16th position with 28 points. Tamale City so Aduana Doma
Aduana some performance.
Aduana in the last 4 matches Aduana winning.
Obesha Tamale.
And it's Tamale Kolusu.
Kolusu Kim
also they are cut deep 28. Ken first down so no and Accra Lions also 28. It's na watch we are sure they better maintain this up.
Dreams cry
the Dreams Kolusu
to hard to focus wa ha.
Obeba
say Olusu
na Ben Adrian so obeshe no
league no challenge for
because
Kerala win here. Kerala beko 31 right?
Yeah.
Yes.
31. Dreams lose Dreams better Lagos City ni for Lagos City is
Lagos City is
any Go Stars.
BB
any tough game. Edema Lagos City. BB abetu mercy.
I said we lose one match.
One match.
Yes.
Eti Lagos City is Dreams no bekum Chelsea so bo home. Bekum Chelsea ono yemfa no ntonche. Say na ka fit Dreams e ba no. Dreams ko lusu a. Na Kerala winia. And so Choma no so any win e bo.
In so Choma about
Bechem and so Choma no bo home.
And also a difficult venue pa.
Yes, in so Choma betime wini. And so Choma ko wini a Dreams beti aba be
a chance Dreams game there must win.
Must win for Dreams. Yes.
And so betime aba be 60. Say Lagos City ko wini a.
Olympics cross suni breakum Chelsea. Right.
Yeah.
But I said Dreams win.
Olympics be poison for action win.
Olympics go home. On Chelsea and likely Olympics bet me winning that game. Yeah.
So we know be free war.
Do so see there here no so be winning. On then they must
win.
Yes. A big game because that's challenge for the league.
Super so G League yes or she.
Yeah.
China yes or she. Because enra ka Kotoko Timi Lagos City sa. Nka Kotoko da position ye pa.
Yes, enra Kotoko e wini ya.
Kotoko Kimfaisa.
And over 37 points.
37.
Kotoko ne down for na mediama no lose ye no. Sa mediama game. Ko wini ya. Kebe push ni pa because Kimfaisa there. Kotoko bet machine.
And even say o hwe points no class na na can do a game no munya points na 3 points na kebe push. And kebe abo mo. Because 41 40 40 38 38. In the cover for 37. And kebe bo no.
And all one outstanding game.
Yes.
37 so ko wini obeba 40.
Yes.
Obeba that second.
Baba ya. So near the number.
On near the Koro officials no. Mami hwem fama o ha na Asante Koroko fixtures no. Hwem fama na 1 2. Okay. And you know so weekend you on ayi na ebo.
We can you RTU.
Yes, obo RTU na obo Kimfaisa outstanding no dey free. Na wakoberekum.
Only Chelsea.
Oni berekum Chelsea wa win.
Easy game.
Na obo berekum Chelsea na abebo Aduana Okoman.
Tough match.
Obo Aduana we obeba nkran ni Great Olympics.
Yes.
Na oni Tamale City abo. Na wasan abo Go Stars ofie. Obebo ifie ato aso mienu.
Oni Tamale City ni Go Stars.
Go Stars ni ya. Ani yes Go Stars ni ya ofie. Na waba dewu
abebo Kotoku Royals. Enye better man no.
Na wasan wabo Kerala ofie. No akonkan na Accra Lions. The last game no abebo Dreams Kumasi.
Kumasi.
You know, Koroko dey
the remaining matches ni mu ya den. tough matches wo.
But Obibekasi senior show. Oh boy, after Aduana no Olympics form ni wo.
But who go away?
Oh, but Ocean one
struggle.
It's only a young fun on paper no. Kotoko better see Olympics.
They be do also happy for me.
Yes, and give me. Olympics, Tamale City, Gold Stars, Kotoku Royals, Karela, Accra Lions, Dreams FC. These are teams that are beatable.
Dreams will come and say
Kotoko Tamale City obo Kumasi.
Kotoko Besha no.
BBN Gold Stars obo Kumasi.
That game they say also Kotoko nya points.
That game the game will be.
Karela obo Kumasi.
BBN for no 2 players bi a omunim Kumasi. McCarthy and well best Steven no Ashgood.
Yeah.
Omuni Kotoko ba like omunim boys no.
But when you are playing
Michael Sanso former coach
Kotoko. Yeni minister but when you Kotoko as a club. Now bought Tamale City fie. Bought Gold Stars fie.
But some games also Kotoko nya points ni na.
Kotoko last me fan 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The last 7 matches no. Obebo home.
Therefore
1 2 3 4.
Also nya
12.
Also Kotoko nya 12 points ni na fie.
Had to folk.
Na we ni na
Had to folk matches no. Obo Dreams we are. Or tena fie ni enso atramanabo. Na wako bechem.
Tough match. Bechem.
Oshe Dreams eh.
Oshe Dreams e be boa no.
Na oko bechem wi a na wato aso akọ Tamale. Ene Tamale
City. That game no how to folk bet me akonya points.
Last time I has G League no ko share bechem.
Yeah.
But this season so bechem so performance season we so has so omo ko da area ho na enyem
ho operation 9 points
okoya kara operation 9 points started omo ne game ya omo Accra Lions
and achievable because of your dreams now abon so
atrament and they bet me aba but then after 9 points operation no bechem
Tamale City
okolusu de Makarela now that area
yes now about Ken Faisal home
now how to book meeting Ken Faisal.
But has baby has Jinani you. Opposition no me
see now them me also phone lines ni na ento so 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971 and I face 0205818748 0205818748 now so do agent area but a action in agina dew theater of dreams had to folk and as dreams FC and out to folk and almost so at boy ni a china and a given eba into channel so say a china dreams and had to folk our dew 3 p.m. and as I give no and so be so nanka gate fee no ye say eshana sanka china de ni aba a china 20 dia kura 20 dia kura na fire yeah and you know a china na sa game no and so na be bass dreams FC and I had to folk and I was so no that be boy na che be say benya house penny for e do ma be fear na yen so no yetimi abedi enkomo e fear hanom say ma men ko Facebook na men kan messages ba kumienu aba ho na yen na yen sorry so and so no e fear Facebook no okay ma men yen say Caesar boy, I say I brought my song. It hasn't been played till today. I so appreciate Okoman FM. I know Sonny the idea about Nimunyunkwa Okan Wasem, Nimunyunkwa Okan Wasem. Akropong citizen, I say keep up the good works, my brother. Kelvin Amponsah, more fire. Oti, more fire. Enko Mfamao, El baby up. On sono over 0551667755. 0551667755. 0270191971 0270 191 971 0205 748 0205 748 So Tom, Bella, they are spring rolls and on the one, or they had you spring rolls. Spring rolls and fine. The spring rolls and they are fine, and they are fine pants, you know, and they know Bella spring rolls.
They take away
the beer will deliver by the amount.
This is Tatane.
Yes, it is spring rolls and they are fine. Then as I'm a cabbage, they're fine, and then it's here about all Dabby. Nti na Amanfo ne order spring rolls no enfi Bella spring rolls wo na wonso enjoy papa. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bacho din baby Afrefi.
Ata very blue.
Master Ata anopement you.
Yo, waja mi chairman papa on board and wakubuchi anapewa nyi obi an nyi chapter kama ni shano. Ani mo de bo okre ani abgana nyina. No, I'm going to tell you what I say. The stadium. Now, when you come there, I'm going to tell you, and then I can be asked. I was some of them. I'm going to tell you that I should go to the bar.
I thousand, sorry, I hear also close out of where
Pepper, two, not down. I'm going to go to the some three, not two. I was the stadium.
Yes, that's it. Only Yamintina, self by 0551667755. 0551667755. You ever call and Chibia, solo wrap up. If I only see which you be an air corner, Brenna.
I give you the
yeah,
where has fixtures and I say, Muyam the Cacras and Cotocadiano.
Sir,
without the man. Or Chabe ye need a pay. The Ashe. How to focus your more kakra leg no better me aje. Kwa dia a bed in their mom. Maminchia, born to win football center na fame. Right to play football academy or more do. Minchi or mona minchia. Ufio Royals and so minchi or mopa, most heavy. Na Henry Kofi Asari Jr. On also so show no. And the minchiano King Vibro. Yeah.
Minchiano
pa heavy. China bichia. Oh, ha say ba no de obeba.
Ha cry so ba fiance.
So yo. Nti Henry, utie de o china prepare. Na bra fia na be kire nsem how to folk. Team de ni na no mo anti be kire mu kakra na so ye hu. Nti minchi obia na minchia sof ma mevek enso ewa okugwa.
All right, so Tom, Chiane Kwe, Breno Kuya,
Chiame Papa, the Gideon Reko, and many about Tay, Theodora, or so many on the boss.
All right, and Tinone said, Tom, no, yeah, the best see now, Yako, Yame boy, Channel Pa, Bana Fins on 10 to 12 p.m. at a Global Sports, weekend edition at the Abashan song. Search a Dreams FC and I to folk and almost ready boy and executive producer here Akuffo about for an Akuffo Koreajiman Pass Solo Paradise Scrub Ya Santa Job Poker and Samson at TWC Ziggy Donzi and our face said Tom or me and son a boy chidom I made in something in a buy Akuffo Akuffo Sano Mincha only Lisa and Emma Abna need my phone in Yamicha Mommy's joint Abnama yes I don't pay Mincha Mutuna Sene me say a Ziggy and I energy I register it's Jamano Bianco di do a mama's joint and a Mincha one in town. Man, Gloria.
Where they miss 30 seconds. One second. Happy birthday. Confirm me the MC for by me so better so there. Happy birthday confirm Reverend Clement Obutentim. Or no areas of penny and so our Goodway Power Ministry our Pantine branch into Anope in Chiaka same command and happy birthday and confirm.
All right, I know a solo dia and so no. You're the best thing I'm watching. I have to say, you know, Kelvin Amponsah Addi. I know I shall see it. It's a dreams and out of folk call Nakoshevi.
Still believe in God we trust.